Everybody, they're finally in our Tibetan Singing Bowls. So let me just get down here so you can see me. My name is Tyrone. I'm the co-founder of CircleUp Education, and it is my honor to present you all the first order that came in from our manufacturers for our brand new Tibetan Singing Bowls. Now we call these our Be Quiet Bowls. These are our bowls that we use to help us find a sense of quietness inside, to find a sense of balance, and to help us learn more about ourselves by doing different mindfulness activities. We also use these bowls in our training. So for those of you out there who are trainers or who are even classroom teachers, and you want to have a tool that can really gently and mindfully bring people back to the attention, get their attention from small group activities, our brand new singing bowls are going to be perfect for that. I wanted to make sure that these were special. I wanted to make sure that they actually met your needs. And I also wanted to make sure that you all got to see what you got, because over the years I have purchased so many singing bowls that I know firsthand that what you see online, whether it's on Amazon or other sites, is not typically what you get. And so we wanted to make sure that there were no surprises. I don't know why other companies don't make videos like this, but I wanted you all to see right from the factory what these bowls actually look like, because I wanted you to be able to understand and see how much work we put into customizing these and making these just not any ordinary singing bowl. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with this one here. So they come in a little box like this if you order one. If you order them in bulk, they'll come in a larger box and they'll be stacked. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm so excited. All right. So, oh my goodness. So first off, they come with a cushion. So these are the blue cushions. We're gonna have one that's actually our CircleUp Tiffany's blue color. So those are coming in soon. But for this first batch that we got this beautiful blue that actually, here, let me just open it for you so you can see it here. All right, so you gotta get the full experience. So let me go ahead and show this to you here. So it's this beautiful blue. So it's like, you can actually see our logo color, the Tiffany blue here, with some silver highlights here. Nice, soft, and squishy. It's firm enough that it'll hold the bowl, and that's what you want for something like this, right? So yeah, it's very, very high quality. These are handmade also, right? So we'll just stick that right here. And so, so let's go ahead. I'm so excited. So when you see these bowls, we wanted to make sure that they didn't get too damaged because they're handmade. And oh my goodness, look at this. Just look at this. Look at this. These are the 6-inch bowls, the 6-inch singing bowls. Wow, look at this. It was my mission to find a company that could produce for us these beautiful bowls. This is like yellow gold, like jewelry color yellow gold. That's what this looks like. It's beautifully handcrafted. It looks like perfection. Look at this. Look at this. They're quite heavy. I actually have let me go get my scale over here so you all can see actually how heavy they are. Let's get this scale here. Yeah, so that's important too, right? Like, what is the actual weight of this? So let me go ahead and turn this on so you can see this, because I'm all about y'all getting the real view of what's going on here. All right, so I just turned it on and I tared it. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on. So this singing bowl right here is 2 pounds. Can y'all see that? 2.8 pounds. Right? So it has a nice weight to it. It's almost 3 pounds, okay? So it has a nice weight to it, but just look at this gold shimmer. Like when I first saw this, like yesterday, literally these came in yesterday, I could not believe how beautiful it looked in the light. Like I felt like I was looking at a piece of jewelry here. And just for being able to have a mindful moment, just having something so beautiful to hold on to reflect on, and literally you can slightly see a reflection in here. But look at the bottom. Look at this, everyone. Do y'all see that? That is our CircleUp logo engraved at the bottom. Make sure I get that right. So this was just a beautiful mark. Very simple. We didn't want to do it in the inside, right? Because we wanted to make sure that you all, let me make sure the camera, there we go, yeah. I want to make sure you can see it. We wanted to make sure that you could have the opportunity to be able to look at the bowl and enjoy it, but then at the bottom you have this beautiful, beautiful logo. Beautiful, beautiful CircleUp logo. Can you see that? There you go. And it's just simple. It's just engraved right into the bottom. But can you see the luster here? The beautiful, beautiful luster of the bowl. There you go. The camera can't even focus on it because it's so shiny. Look at that. So again, it's handmade, which means that there's going to be a little bit of, marks or little scratches on it because it's handmade. So you'll be able to see those things. But all in all, the perfection of it is just gorgeous, just gorgeous. So what you do is you get this beautiful little mat right here, the little cushion, and the bowl sits right on top of the cushion just like this. You gotta make sure these things are out. It's just gorgeous. It's just so, so gorgeous. And then the mallets, we had so many complaints about these. We had this cute little mallet because sometimes people would buy these and they weren't covered and so they were damaged. So you don't want to buy something that's damaged. You want something that looks brand new, right? So these are tiny little mallets. We wanted to get the small ones so you could actually have the experience. And don't worry, we're going to make it sing. So you're going to get to, I actually have a mallet that's open so we can actually practice so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, but it comes with this cute little mallet. The mallet can fit right inside. Now the other thing is, how big is the bowl? Because this is the biggest thing. Put my face on here. This is the biggest thing that I was so annoyed with buying singing bowls, is that they make them look really large. You get them and they're like this big, right? Like a teacup, right? So let's see how big these are. So got my tape measure here. All right, so here's the bowl. And so the diameter, put it this way. So can you all see that? So the diameter of these, so these are just above 6 inches. Let me hold this up to the camera so you can see. Do you see that? Just above 6 inches. Let me hold this so you can actually see the full length of the ruler. There you go. Y'all see that? Oops. I can get this right. I don't want to damage the bowl here. There we go. Just above 6 inches, all right? It's a great size, and it's what you want for a singing bowl. Unless you're traveling or doing other things, you might want one that's a little bit smaller, but this is really great. And with the bulge of it, it goes a little bit bigger than that. So it's probably about, maybe, I would say like an extra ½ an inch on the sides, you know, because if you see it, if you look at the bowl this way, you can see the diameter, but then it kind of bulges out just a little bit as it comes to the bottom, okay? And then how big are the cute little mats right here? Let's just measure it because we're here. So these are 5 inches by 5 inches. Let me hold this up so y'all can see. There you go. So you can see that's about 5 inches there. There we go. Got an idea. And then the mallet, we got the tiny cute little mallets. These are adorable. This is the first time that we've ordered them, but you can see the size. These are just about 5-inch mallets here. And they are adorable. I actually prefer them compared to the large ones. All right? So there you go. So now what y'all have been waiting for, and I'm gonna open the second and third one so you can see the consistency. Okay, so there you go. And let's go ahead and make this sing. Now I'm gonna not use this one, I'm gonna use, actually, you know what, we are gonna use it, because if we wanna get a realistic view of what this is, I'm gonna unwrap it. I don't wanna waste a new product, but we're gonna do it. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. There we go. Because one of the issues that we had in the past is that it was really hard to make the bowl sing. So how do you make these sing? First off, it's vibration based. So you want to make sure that you keep your hand out. Don't grab the bowl like this. You want to make sure that it's resting on your palms or on the cushion, right? So then when you hit it, these make a beautiful sound. Can you hear that? There you go, beautiful sound. Now, we're gonna go ahead and how you apply pressure, this is how you make this work. You have to keep pushing into the bowl. Sometimes people just go around like this. You actually have to keep applying pressure to the diameter of the bowl as you go around. Don't let go of the pressure. The pressure has to maintain consistency. So keep pressing that pressure. Look at that, look at that. My goodness, look at that sound. It's beautiful. There you go. So I'm putting my head close so it's picking up on my microphone. There you go. That's the sound that it makes. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful sound. And that is the singing bowl. All right? There you go. So it's just, again, gorgeous. Again, how big is it? It is 6 inches. 6 inches, perfect size. Just a perfect size for a singing bowl. There you go. The mallet is the same. The mallet is 5 inches. It's a great size for a mallet. It fits right inside. There we go. Look at that, fits right inside. It's perfect. All right, and again, just a close up, the bottom has a really cute, tiny little logo for CircleUp Education on it. All right, and that is the singing bowl. So just for consistency, I'm gonna open the other one so you can see, all right? a little background is that I usually don't share this, but I'm being a little vulnerable on this video since it's a little longer. But before I worked at CircleUp Education, so my background is actually in mindfulness, is that I'm actually a certified Reiki master. And so I used to teach courses on how to do different types of energy work with people. And I've been using singing bowls for almost 25 years. And so CircleUp, we actually have mindfulness practices. It's almost like on our secret menu. So you can see here the box. It's almost on our secret menu of services. So when people want to learn how to de-stress employees in the workplace, it comes wrapped in plastic like this. Isn't that great? You know, how to de-stress employees, or how to find mindfulness, how to deal with intense stress or anxiety. These are things that I personally help with workplaces. So I use singing bowls all the time. I have so many different sizes of them. You can see here the quality is the same on this bowl. And so for me, I actually, you know, this isn't just CircleUp being like, let's just sell some singing bowls to sell singing bowls. For me, this goes way back, that I've been using them as healing tools. I've been using them as mindfulness tools. Even when my mind gets scattered and I can't focus, I've been using them to just help me find a sense of peace and balance. And so some people use them for work around chakra healing to help find a balance. They use them before their meditative or spiritual practices, whether you're doing prayers or praying, or prayers or different types of prayer practices, but it just helps to clear your mind, to kind of ground the space around you. All right, so again, this is the singing bowl here. Let's look at the consistency and weight. So we want to make sure, there we go. Make sure this is the same. Clear this here. Let's put that on. There we go, look at that, almost identical. 2.7, 2.8 pounds, 2.7 pounds. There you go. And again, I'm gonna clear it just so you can see. Press tear, so you know how much weight, and then put it on. Because I'm all about transparency. There's too many videos online where they stop the video, they do all kind of weird stuff like that. Not here, I'm not about that. All right, now again, inside the box here, we have again the blue cushion. I'm not gonna open it because you already saw it. And then we also have, again, the beautiful mallet here. Beautiful mallet. There you go, okay? Beautiful. All right, so again, the size of the bowl. Get our measuring tape out. Here we have, again, almost exactly the same, 6 inches. Let me hold it up so you can see. This beautiful bowl. And again, the color, people are always like, what is the color? If you have any yellow gold jewelry, this is almost identical to yellow gold. It's a beautiful color. Now I'm gonna show you in comparison, we've been selling these other bowls for about 10 years. These are our old singing bowls. Same bronze singing bowls. And this is what they advertise them for. Now these are nice bowls, right? It has like a more rustic look to it, but you can see that the quality is different. The quality of the metal is different. It's not as shiny, right? And it looks a little bit more worn, and there is a unique style to that, but we really wanted something a little bit more special. So these are some of the common bowls that you find online compared to ours. This looks like a centerpiece. You could put it in your home, you could put it on near your dining room table or on a mantelpiece. It's beautiful. It looks like a work of art. Okay, so thank you so much for taking this time. We really wanted you to see our brand new products, just seeing them side by side. Just so you all know, we actually have an 8-inch bowl that's coming in soon. So we're gonna be selling larger bowls that are just unbelievable. The sound is much deeper and really resonates with your base chakras. It sounds amazing, all right? So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, this kind of box opening reveal of our brand new singing bowls. My name is Tyrone. I'm the co-founder of CircleUp Education, and thank you so much for considering these beautiful, beautiful bowls. I know you're gonna love them because they are just phenomenal. Bye.